Hi, I'm Don with iPlanFort. For more than 40 years, I've worked in businesses to help optimize operations, improve profitability, and create smarter strategic growth. At iPlanFort, we use a proprietary software design to analyze more than 40 critical areas within a business to uncover hidden revenue opportunities, operational inefficiencies, and strategic growth potential. Our platform runs over 497 million weighted algorithmic sequences to support faster, smarter, and more intentional decision making. For this demonstration, we'll use a professional service business example with the following metrics. Annual revenue, $500,000. Gross profit margin, 65%. Net profit margin, 25%. Let me show you how 12 small 3% strategic improvements across multiple operational areas where we can create substantial financial impact on a business. Your current revenue, $500,000. Your expected increase in revenue is over $164,000. Your new annual gross revenue is over $664,000. This gives you a total profit impact of $123,426. That is a 99% increase in profit. Your current profit is $125,000. Your new annual profit is now over $248,000. Over the next 5 years, this creates an additional $616,000 of new profit. By increasing your profit, we will also be increasing your business value. Next step is prioritizing our strategies and creating an implementation plan. A report is now sent to you outlining what we're about to accomplish. Now we have a plan. In closing, there are 2 ways of working with me. You can hire me as your consultant after we spend some time analyzing your situation, or you can join my business consulting platform, which is a year-long for $200 for the first month. This includes a setup fee in your first month. The monthly investment is $100 a month for the remainder of the year. Here's what is included in the program. 50 weekly meetings focused on strategies for profit acceleration. 52 lessons in our MBA series. A business planning workbook that includes your business diagnostic assessment and implementation comparison. Financial training for business owners. 100 lessons on how to think AI. Jumpstart 12 training with your own simulator. We truly want you to succeed in your business endeavors. Strategies first, profit always.